don't know why. And we're also probably going to get interrupted 1,000 times during this video. But I have been wanting a chicken plucker for years. Been asking my parents for Christmases and birthdays. Asking my old lady Christmases and birthdays. Never got me one. So I finally took initiative and I bought a chicken plucker. I don't know how it's going to be to build it. It's a yard bird. This is the Spanish size, 20-inch thing. Yeah, weighs 82 pounds. I had to carry it up the stairs from the front porch. It definitely weighs 82 pounds. I'm not sure if I'm going to include this on my Coolspring Kennels page or not, but I did go rabbit hunting today. And I actually got my Coolspring Kennels hat on. Comes with stickers, you know, that's good. Spill my coffee here. Let's build a fire. This ain't a survival video. We'll make a fire like a human being. Winnie, you want to be in the video? Come here, girl. Winnie, come here, baby. Fucking stuck in there. Oh, because that's what that piece fell off. Okay. Coffee to stay hydrated, even though it's like 2 in the afternoon. Winnie girl, what are you eating, Winnie? Be right back. My dog's eating something she ain't supposed to. Hey! She was eating my daughter's breakfast. It's just a walk. It wasn't that bad. Alright. know where it goes. Let's get this. Oh, that's all the weight right there. Winnie, no! She's bad. She had her head stuck in the fence. I took a video of her, so I'll probably post that in here. Alright. A reverse bolt. Huh. This will be kind of a decent tutorial of how to build this sucker. I wonder why it wasn't spinning there. All right. Clean up my workstation here. This just means put all the garbage by the house until it's garbage day. I don't know what these are for then. I don't think it's supposed to have a lid. Says about to put a turkey in here. You might bruise the meat, but they're small young jakes, so I'm gonna try a turkey. I might do a chicken today too. He flew out of the coop, so I might not be able to catch him, but if I can, we'll do it. Please tell me that switch right there. I'll have to take a bolt off. I think I figured it out. I had to get back to the manual. I don't know how long you guys have been off, but I think I've said every swear word that I know. And if this is what fixes it, this is going to be insane. Alright. I can't see too good. Alright. The magnets have to line up. And if this is all it is, that's crazy. I'm dumb. This is upside down. Make sure my switch is off. I think I already checked it. It was upside down. Oh, remember this bolt is backwards. That was a disaster. I'm gonna have to edit like this entire video, how long that took. That took way longer than it was supposed to. Insane. Now, I'll show you what this is for after that disaster. Let me get my bucket here. This bucket here has a cracked bottom right there. So I seen this actually on YouTube the other day. I forget which video I was watching. But, you know, with chickens you put them in milk crates. So on the bucket. I think all my videos are going to be comedy from now on. Perfect. I am not organized by any means. Let's see how this works now. That water's getting hot already. Don't tell the old lady. That's pretty much it. Let's go get our turkey. This will be fun. This is a turkey I recently just picked up from my buddy, young Jake. Hopefully you didn't see that. If I do, I'm going to walk that off, but he's going to bleed out now. The bucket worked out pretty good. I'm going to have to remember that in the future. I'll put that one just for turkeys now. I never did that with a turkey. A little bit easier with chickens, so if you are going to do this, don't wear nice clothes because I have blood all over me now. Water's getting hot. I'll sit back and glue myself for a minute. Let me clean off the workstation while we're waiting here. I'll show you my knife real quick. I was down in Tennessee at that world's biggest knife store or whatever. Got a big old chasing a rabbit engraved. Then I got my daughter and my son's name engraved on the other side. That's my little beagle knife. We'll eventually get a new sheath for it. I don't care for the sheath. It's kind of cheap. Also, if you're interested in my hat, Coolspring Kennels, it's on Coolspring Customs on Etsy. You search by shop. I can maybe put a link on it. We've got sweatshirts, t-shirts, hats, hoodies. I prefer sweatshirts over hoodies. This is why I walked away from my short break. She's gonna go back in the kennel because she had her head stuck in the fence.